Hello guys, Jasjeet Singh here, back to you. So welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I have a new story with you. It's my personal story basically. So today I would be telling you how universe interacts with us, right? So how universe basically talks to us. There are various forms in which universe talks to us basically. So you will come to know from this story how it actually communicates to you. So it is my personal story. I would share my personal story with you. That time I used to work with my previous employer named HCL, that was Hindustan Computers Limited. After working for certain period with this employer, I gave interviews with other companies casually and luckily got selected with my present employer IBM India. That was International Business Machines. So though I have left that company 2.5 years ago, but still I would be telling you about this thing. So this was the time I was in the middle of both the companies and was thinking which side to go for, HCL or IBM. I wanted to stick to HCL as it's good because future companies look for how much time a person has spent in a particular company. But at the same time, IBM paid me better salary and less of work hours. So obviously IBM was better for me, but I wanted to stick to HCL. However, I still wanted to stick to HCL, so was still confused what would happen, HCL or IBM. So that time I got a dream one night when I was struggling with both of the companies and I was struggling to be in HCL. It was like I was waiting for a metro train, the underground, which you call in London basically, at a platform, and with me two people accompanied with me without their faces. I had two people with me and their faces were not there, right? And only with their bodies. I could see their bodies only, and at the place of their faces I just could see HCL and IBM written on other person's place of face, right? Sounds strange, right? Now listen. Train arrived and door opened and I entered into the train thinking those two persons with their faces, HCL and IBM, have also entered with me. And when doors closed, I just saw behind. I saw only the face of IBM and HCL had not entered the train. And I wanted that HCL also should enter, and if I could stop the train anyhow. But from the window I looked outside at the platform to see where is HCL and could not see the person with face HCL. It was nowhere, till far away or anywhere at the platform, and only IBM was inside with me in the train and accompanied me. So the universe told me this in the form of a dream which I saw, that I am gonna work with IBM now. So I just wanted that HCL company would enter in the train with me, but HCL was not there with me now, so it left. So after that I tried so much that anyhow if I can still carry on with my employment with HCL, but unfortunately circumstances could not allow me to work there anymore. So I gave my papers in HCL and looked forwarded to join IBM, and after 7 days I joined IBM, but still tried if I could get better salary other than IBM. But ultimately I joined IBM and it was 6 years I worked for IBM. So did you see how universe talks? Did you see how universe told me that your future company is IBM, which train carried with me? So guys, you also keep noticing the signs. Universe talks to us through many ways. So hope you like my story. So this story was composed by me and I presented it in front of you, right? So I will keep on posting the new stories in the future as well. and you just hit the like button there and subscribe to my channel so you get the notifications of my upcoming stories, right? And so it was nice spending time with you all today. So subscribe to my channel and like the button, right? And have a great day to you all. Bye bye.